So I just bought my dream bike. Guys, you guys can't imagine how many times I said this to myself, how many times I imagined myself riding this bike, and finally it's here. And yeah, I don't have any words for it. Anyway, so what's up guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the first ever vlog on this channel. And what better bike to do that on than this amazing 2024 Kawasaki Z900. I've been working very hard to try and buy this bike for a couple of years now, and finally riding my dream bike. So as you can see, there's only 153 kilometers on the bike so far, and a lot of that has come from just riding back from the showroom. So we are here in beautiful Goa, and I really do believe that Goa is one of the best places to ride a bike, because I mean, just look at this, man. You know, you have blue skies, greenery. It doesn't get much better than this, right? Look how beautiful this place is. Anyway, so this bike is completely stock except for these mirrors, and I really do think these mirrors look amazing. Now these are like kind of like a knockoff Rizoma style mirrors, and I think the first copy comes in at around 7,500. I got these off of Amazon for just under 2,000. I'll have the link in the description below if you guys want it. And I bought these just to test them out, okay? And I could return them within 7 days if I didn't really like it, or if I just wanted to like swap it out or stuff like that. So I mean, that was one of the biggest reasons why I got them, because I just wanted to see if the quality is good enough, if the fit and finish is nice, and so then that way I could just keep them, or I could upgrade to the more expensive ones. So one of the biggest reasons why I'm making this vlog is because I want to tell you guys how to properly break in your motorcycle. And I've watched so many videos on YouTube. I think I've almost watched all the videos on YouTube about this bike. It was kind of really rare to find a video that properly explain the importance of breaking in the motorcycle, because obviously this is a pretty expensive bike, right? And you want it to last a very long time, so you need to break it in properly. And what do I mean by break it in is, for those of you who don't know, is just once you get something new, you have to get it used to you, and you have to get used to it, right? And the better you do that, the longer your item is going to last, whatever it might be, whether it's a motorcycle, whether it's new shoes, or whatever, you know. So what the guys at Kawasaki told me to do is what they recommend to do is to keep the revs below 6,000 RPM, and for the first 1,000 kilometers until your first service, and from the first to the second service you can take it up to 7 7.5 or 8,000 RPM. That's how you slowly brake in your motorcycle. Pamper them too much. You don't want to pamper these bikes too much, even though you have to keep the revs below 6,000 RPM. You won't see me just riding at a steady RPM, or being too scared to just let it rip sometimes, because that's how the bike is going to get used to your style of riding, and that's how you won't have any problems in the future. So keep the revs below 6,000 RPM. I know it's a bit annoying because you keep having to look down, but trust me, it's just going to be for the first day or something, and first few days until you get used to the bike and the clutch, and more or less where you are in the rev range. Also, one thing about this bike that not many people talk about is the instant torque boost at around 3,000 or 4,000 RPM. It's insane. Even if you're holding a steady acceleration, the torque boost that comes in from the inline four is mad. You're going to feel it as soon as you get on. So yeah, and also until you get used to the bike, it's common sense, but just keep it in road mode. This bike has a few modes that we'll talk about in another video, but for now let's just enjoy this ride and this last part of this road, because it's pretty beautiful road here in Goa. So this part of Goa is called Saligaon, and it's known for that beautiful church that we're going to come up upon right now. So that's the Saligaon church, guys, and yeah, I'm just going to stop talking and take this in. Okay, so I think that's it for today's ride, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I don't have a lot of subscribers just yet, and I hope to have a few in the future, because there's a lot of stuff I want to do on this bike, and there's a lot of more bikes that I want to show you guys about and take you guys on rides with. So if you like this video, then please give me a like. Please give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.